How to add text in Photoshop. If you want to add clean, professional-looking text to your design, Photoshop makes the process simple and flexible. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create, edit, and format text the right way. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new page. Now go to the horizontal type tool, or simply press the shortcut key T to select it. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing whatever you want. After typing, you can highlight your text to increase the font size, adjust the position, or change the color by selecting any color you like. If you want to move your text, simply switch to the Move tool and drag it to the perfect position. Once your formatting looks good, click the right tick icon to confirm the text. If you ever want to edit it again later, just select the Type tool again, click on the text, and you can change the font, style, size, color, or any other formatting settings anytime. And that's it. Adding and editing text in Photoshop is quick and easy once you know where the tools are. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching.